whether we're 9% or not, they are so powerful that they are felt all over Africa and the world. For example, unale mokhatlo mo ba re ke MK, unale more numbers than the EFF, mara ke di stupid combined ka moka ofela. Ba tshwana le ntata bona, same.
Julius Malema has dismissed the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party influence and declared EFF as unstoppable train. In a fiery address ahead of the Ngwate local municipality by-elections, EFF leader Julius Malema launched a blistering critique of the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, dismissing their parliamentary strength and reaffirming the EFF's ideological dominance. Speaking to supporters in Ward 16, Kwakwatsi, Malema questioned the significance of the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party's larger presence in parliament, insisting that political leadership is not determined by numbers, but by what he termed superior logic, and said they may have more seats than the EFF, but they are collectively stupid, just like their father. In a thinly veiled reference to Umkhonto we Sizwe Party leader and former President Jacob Zuma, and said when they speak in parliament, you can't even understand them. They have numbers for nothing. Malema urged voters to stay focused on everyday challenges facing Black South Africans, emphasizing that the upcoming by-elections on May 28 are not just local contests, but a critical step towards reclaiming political and economic dignity, and said we don't need to be voted into power to love you. We love Black people and we will never stop fighting for them. We will represent them always, because that is the mission of the EFF. Despite trailing the MK party in parliamentary representation, Malema emphasized the symbolic power of the EFF's presence in the legislature and said the 9% we have is felt all the way in America. It's powerful, it's global. He also offered a personal flourish, alluding to his influence on the world stage, and said the first Black man to turn the Oval Office into a cinema, speaking to you now. No one else in history has done that except the man before you. Reinforcing the party's momentum, Malema called on voters to help restore the power of the mighty EFF, likening the movement to a ready train, an unstoppable train, and said if you stand in our way, we will crush you and continue with the liberation of the African masses. Malema was unequivocal in rejecting any potential alliance with the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party or its leader, and said we will never unite with Jacob Zuma. We will never unite with the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. We are not friends with enemies of the EFF. The Umkhonto we Sizwe Party responded, their SG said we demand unity of Black people. In response, the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party Secretary General Fred Shibambo struck a conciliatory tone, emphasizing the need for grassroots unity despite sharp divisions among party leaders, and said, comrades, don't worry about what leaders say. We are going to unite voters. This unity we are asking for, we are not breaking it. We are demanding unity of Black people so we can be about liberation. Shibambo positioned the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party as a reliable political home for the disenfranchised, and said MK Party becomes the only fighting, dependable vehicle in the hands of Black people here in South Africa. As tensions between the two parties escalate ahead of the by-elections, the political battlefield appears increasingly defined not just by voter numbers, but by competing versions for the soul of Black South African politics.
Don't worry about leaders of Black political parties that say they do not want unity with MK. We are going to unite voters underneath them and leave them alone as leaders. We have already started. We have already started in KwaZulu-Natal. We unite the voters and then we leave a shell there.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.